If you love gaming, then this video is going to be very fantastic and very important for you. So just keep watching, and now let's begin. So guys, here why I'm telling you that this video is going to be fantastic, because in this video I'm going to give you a website that you can use to play any kind of game for free. I mean, you don't need to even download the game, you can play that game on your browser. So now let's go to our computer screen. So first let me share my computer screen with you so you can see what I'm doing right now. Here you can see my computer screen. So here we are on browser. I'm using this Brave browser. It is a special Brave browser. If you also want to use, then link is given. So the website name is poki.com. So here you can see there are a lot of games that you can play for free. You can see the game, and you can also search for the game that you want. I think I have played this game, this one. These are the games that I used to play in my phone and also in my computer. But to play those games, you need to download the game on your computer if you want to play this game. But from this site Poki, you can play all these games for free. Literally it's free, and you'll find these all games in this one website, poki.com. The spelling is poki.com. Fantastic website. And my favorite game over here is this one, Narrow One. Let's play this right now. I'm going to decrease the sound because my brother will come. Okay, here we go. And tap on this button, click to join, and you can also tap on escape button. And if you tap on the escape button, then your cursor will come out, and from here you can do some normal thing, and then here you can turn into full screen. And then if you tap on click to join, then here you can join the game and then play from this side. So poki.com is a free website, fantastic. And here you can find almost every game for free. Okay, so let me play this thing right now. You can see this is the game, and it's fantastic. Okay, let me play this. I'm gonna put the mic right now here so I can play with my two hands. Sorry for that. So guys, it's so satisfying game. Let me play this a little bit more, then I will talk to you again. So guys, finally I used this site and poki.com, and I almost played for 1 or 2 hours, and it's very fantastic website. I'm gonna just go back, and you can see this is the website again, poki.com. Free to play any kind of game, and you also don't need to download the game that you want to play. So just click the link below. The link is given below, and this video is not sponsored by this site, so feel free to click the link. And that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. It is, I think, for a special video for gamers. Okay, so that's it. See you soon. If you are new here, then tap on that subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to receive all the videos that I will upload on this channel. And also make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get more these kinds of videos. That's it. Peace.